The year 2026 has officially arrived, and with it comes the ultimate heavyweight showdown in the smartphone world. We are looking at the devices that represent the pinnacle of mobile engineering, the Samsung Galaxy S26 and the Apple iPhone 17e. These aren't just incremental updates. They represent a fundamental shift in how we interact with our tech, from generative AI integration to groundbreaking display tech. Whether you've been an Android loyalist for a decade or you've never left the Apple ecosystem, the gap between these two has never been thinner, making your choice harder than ever. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of the specs, performance benchmarks, and those all-important camera tests, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. We have a ton of long-term testing coming up for both of these devices, and you won't want to miss our real-world battery drain tests and durability comparisons. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth reviews just like this one. Design and build quality. Starting with the aesthetics, Samsung has finally moved away from the floating camera look of the last few years, introducing a more integrated, streamlined camera island on the Galaxy S26 that sits flush with the new Armor aluminum 3" frame. It's thinner, lighter, and feels incredibly dense in a way that screams premium. Samsung has also achieved what they call zero-bezel symmetry, where the borders around the screen are so thin they virtually disappear. On the other hand, Apple has refined the iPhone 17e by introducing a polished titanium finish even on this expanded model. The big news here is the weight distribution. Despite the iPhone 17e growing to a 6.3-inch display, it feels remarkably balanced. Apple has also moved the internal components around to improve thermal dissipation, meaning the phone stays cooler during long sessions of FaceTime or gaming. The display battle. When we talk about displays, we are looking at the best in the business. The Galaxy S26 features a 6.3-inch dynamic AMOLED to X panel with a staggering peak brightness of 2800 nits. Samsung's new Vision Booster Pro technology adjusts the contrast and colors frame by frame based on the ambient light hitting the sensor. But the real story this year is the iPhone 17e. For the first time ever, this specific model features a 120Hz ProMotion display. This effectively ends the biggest criticism of the standard-tier iPhones. Apple has also introduced a new anti-reflective coating that makes the iPhone 17e much easier to read under direct sunlight compared to previous generations, while the S26 offers a punch-hole camera that provides more screen real estate. The iPhone 17e's dynamic island has become even more functional with third-party app integrations, turning that hardware cutout into a multitasking powerhouse. Performance and AI integration under the hood. We are seeing the clash of the titans. The Galaxy S26 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, a 2nm chip that focuses heavily on neural processing power. Samsung has paired this with a base 12GB of RAM because, in 2026, AI is no longer a gimmick, it's the engine. The S26 can now run large language models locally on the device, meaning your voice commands and photo edits happen instantly without needing an internet connection. Meanwhile, Apple's A19 chip in the iPhone 17e continues to lead in single-core efficiency. While Apple stays at 8GB of RAM for the iPhone 17e, their memory management is so aggressive and efficient that you rarely see an app reload. The A19 is a gaming beast, specifically optimized for ray tracing, making the iPhone 17e a legitimate portable gaming console. Camera systems. Versatility versus consistency. Camera department is where these two brands show their different philosophies. The Galaxy S26 offers a triple lens setup, a 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom. Having that dedicated zoom lens on the base model gives Samsung a massive advantage for street photography and portraits. Samsung's Nightography 4.0 also does an incredible job of pulling detail out of total darkness without making the photo look fake. Apple, however, has taken a different route with the iPhone 17e. It still uses a dual lens system, but the main 48MP sensor has been physically enlarged to capture more light, and the ultra-wide on the iPhone 17e has been bumped to 48MP as well. This allows for spatial video capture in 4K, designed specifically for the Vision Pro ecosystem. If you care about video, the iPhone 17e still wins with its superior stabilization. But if you want all-in-one photography tool, the S26's zoom lens is hard to beat. Battery life and charging battery life has taken a leap forward for both. The Galaxy S26 uses a new stacked battery technology that allows for 4,400 mAh capacity in a very slim chassis. It easily lasts a full day of heavy use, and the 25W charging is consistent. The iPhone 17e, despite having a smaller physical battery, benefits from the incredible efficiency of the A19 chip. In our playback tests, the iPhone 17e actually outlasted the S26 by about 45 minutes of screen-on time. Apple has also upgraded the MagSafe system on the iPhone 17e to support the 5W wireless charging, making it just as fast as Samsung's wired charging. It's a fascinating trade-off. Samsung gives you the raw capacity, but the iPhone 17e gives you the software optimization, ecosystem, and software. Finally, we have to talk about the software. Android 16 on the S26 is all about customization. You can change everything from the lock screen animations to how the AI interacts with your calendar. Samsung's DeX mode is also more refined, allowing you to plug your S26 into a monitor and use it as a desktop computer. On the flip side, iOS 19 on the iPhone 17e is the most open version of iOS we've seen, yet it maintains that legendary "it just works" feeling. The integration between the iPhone 17e, Mac, and iPad is still the gold standard. If you are already deep in the Apple ecosystem, the iPhone 17e offers a level of convenience that Samsung can't quite match. But if you want freedom and advanced features like Circle to Search, the S26 is the clear winner. In the end, both the Galaxy S26 and the iPhone 17e are nominal devices that represent the absolute best of 2026. Samsung gives you the hardware versatility, the telephoto lens, and the cutting-edge AI features. Apple gives you the best video recording on a smartphone, a display that finally catches up to the competition, and an ecosystem that is nearly impossible to leave. You have to decide if you want the Swiss Army knife of phones or the most polished, reliable experience on the market. So, after seeing how these two stack up, which side are you on this year? Are you going for the sleek, AI-driven power of the Galaxy S26, or is the iPhone 17e with its new 120Hz screen and pro-level video the one for you? Which one are you actually going to buy? Share your thoughts and tell us which features matter most to you in the comments section below.